Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will going to learn about regression. In our previous video, I told you about machine learning, about machine learning theory. So if you haven't seen that video, so please watch that video. That video will really helpful to get this video because those videos are correlated to each other. So that's why this is my suggestion to go there and then you can see. Okay, now we will see our today's topic. So today's topic is regression. So let's start. So in machine learning we have supervised learning, and in supervised learning there is one type of supervised learning is called regression. So regression, it is regression. Regression means if you have to, or your goal is to predict a value that is continuous, that is called regression. Okay, or you can say your y is continuous. So whenever your y is continuous, so that means you are solving any regression problem. Okay, now now there are two types of regression. Linear regression and non-linear regression. In linear regression, you can say it represents through the straight line like this. I will show you through the visualization. Okay. If you have this, that's how you can say this is the linear regression. Okay. Now we have also non-linear. So in non-linear, you can see this can be like this one. Okay. It is more about the stock price data. So this is about non-linear, and this is about non-linear and linear regression. So yeah, let's remove this from here. Now what we will do, we will just move to the chart in the chart of the linear regression. So in linear regression, you can see these are the data points, and this is the non-linear chart. Now we have two types of linear regression. So first is simple linear regression, which I told you previously, and next one is multiple linear regression. Okay, so in simple linear regression, we generally take only one predictor, and in multiple linear regression, we take multiple predictor for predicting any value. So this is about simple linear and multiple linear. So I will talk more about this in our code when I will do the coding code part. Okay. So now I will move to the residual. So what is the residual? Residual is nothing but error, you can say. Okay. So here you can see these are the charts, or this is our best fit line. Okay. So these are our data points. So data points will look like this. Okay, and then we will create a best fit line in between them, and then we will calculate the errors. Okay, from point to this line, best fit line. So this is just an residual from point to this line, from point to distance between from this point to this line. This is called residuals or errors, you can say. So we have two assumptions we have to check every time. Sum of all residual must be 0, and residual sum of square should be at least should be least, not at least, should be least. Okay, so in first one you can see, just wait here. These are our positive region, and this is our negative region. Okay, we calculate it as a positive, and this as a negative. So if you will do the sum of all the residuals, like you will do sum of here, like you will do the sum of this error to this error to every error, or every positive error to and after then you will take a sum of all the negative errors or residuals, and then you will do the sum of all these values. So then you will get 0. It means you can use the linear regression. Okay, so this is the one condition, and next condition must be similar to this, like if you will take the square of this residual, okay, and sum of all the residuals, and if the sum will be at least, so that you can also use the linear regression. So this is about the residual sum of square. So now, thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, so please subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get the latest notification. Thank you everyone.